Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine? Yes? How are you all? Fine?
Yes.
It's not audible. Okay, children. Last class we have done. Do you remember what we are learning now? Fraction of a number. Fraction of number. Okay. So to find the fraction of a number, what we have to do? Who can tell me? We will multiply the given number by the fraction. Okay, so
We have to divide the denominator by the number. Then we have to find the answer.
okay, Prajwal, no need. I just asked what we have to do. We have to do only multiply the given number by the fraction. Okay, so in that we will multiply the numerator and divide by the denominator. Okay, very good. So children, we are going to start with the word problems today. I will ask one by one to read the question. I want all of you to pay attention. Some distraction from the houses, so I just mute all of you. Please take page number 27. Page number 27. We are going to start today word problems from that. Okay, Leah, ready? Question number 17. Can you read louder? Yes.
In a mathematics test of 100 marks, Seema scored 3/4 of the maximum marks.
Yes.
How many marks did she score?
Okay, so the total marks is given. Total marks is how much? How much total marks? 100. And Seema scored 3/4 of 100. 3/4 of 100. And I want all the children to find out 3/4 of 100 in your rough book now. We will start writing the steps together. But before that, I want to find out, all of you should do this alone. 3/4 of 100. How we can find out? 3 by 4 into 100. The total marks is 100. So for mathematics test, she scored 3/4. So those who joined now, please take page number 27. Yes, I'll. Please take page number 27. Do this calculation, 3 by 4 into 100, and tell me the answer. Who got the answer can raise your hand. 3 by 4 into 100. Yes, I'll. Page number 27 from the workbook. All of you do it alone. Do the calculations in the rough book. After that, we are going to write it in the workbook. 3 by 4 into 100.
And 17th question.
Question number 17. Yes. Who can say the answer? Three by 4 into 100. Adidev is not trying. Adidev. Do it in the rough book.
Ma'am.
Yes, Liam. Who is calling?
75.
Very good. 75 is the answer. Okay. 3 by 4 into 100. So what you will do? 3 into 100. 300 by 4. The answer is 75. Did you get the answer? How many got the answer? Yes? Yes. Okay. So we will write with the steps. All of you please take page number 27. Page number 27. We are going to start word problems. 17. Question number 17. So first what we can write, the total marks is given. Total marks of the mathematics test. So we can write total marks. Total marks. What is the total mark given? I'll, can you say? You joined late, yes. What is the total marks? Look at question number 17. Total marks, question number 17. Total marks is given in a mathematics test of
100 marks.
100. So total marks is given 100. So how much Seema scored? It is given 3/4. So we can write marks scored by Seema. Marks scored by Seema. So we can write 3 by 4 of 100. So instead of what we will write? 3 by 4. Yes? Yes, Leia? Instead of, what will write? Into. That is multiply. 100. So 3 into 100, 300 by 4. So what's the answer you got? What was the answer?
300.
300 divided by 4.
75.
75. So 75, what we will write? That is marks. 75 marks. So 3/4 of 100 is 3 by 4 into 100. So 300 by 4, you will get the answer as 75 marks. So we can write, therefore, Seema scored, 75 marks. So in this question, children, total marks is given. It is 100. So first step, total marks, which is that's equal to 100. And marks scored by Seema, it is 3/4. 3/4 of 100. 3 by 4 into 100. So that is 75 marks. Therefore, Seema scored 75 marks. Okay, Abel, can you read the next question? Question number 18, Abel. Question number 18. It's not audible, Abel. Isra, can you read, Isra? Yes, louder. Anne Maria, can you read? Anne Maria. Question number 18.
1/2 of a packet of 40 chocolates is distributed in a class. Find the number of chocolates distributed.
Okay, so total number of chocolates is what? Total number of chocolates is given as 40. And how much chocolates is distributed? It is given
1/2.
half of 40. Okay, so all of you tell me, yes, Adidev, half of 40. Can you say that? Half of 40. 40 divided by 2. What will be the answer?
20.
20. Yes, very good. So children, the question, you have to understand the question clearly. Half of the packet of chocolates, it is distributed in the class. So the question is, find the number of chocolates distributed. So what we can write the first step? Total number of chocolates, that is equal to 40. Now how much chocolates is distributed? Half of 40. So what's the answer? 40 divided by 2. What's the answer? 20. Very good. So children, we can write with steps. Question number 18. Question number 18. Total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates in the packet.
The number of chocolates.
Total number of chocolates.
40. Total number of chocolates.
Total number of chocolates is 40 chocolates. And number of chocolates distributed. Half of the chocolates is only distributed. So we had to find out the number of chocolates. Number of chocolates distributed. Number of chocolates distributed. Yes, Rohit, can you tell me how much chocolates is distributed, Rohit? Half, yeah? Half.
1/2 of the packet.
1/2 of the packet means 1/2 of 40. Okay, now what we will write? Half.
15 and 16.
Yes?
Am I read into 15 and 16?
Okay, I'll send the note. Okay. Network problem, you joined late. Now 17, just we finished. I will send the notes. Okay. So half into 40. So 40 divided by 2. 40, yes. 40 divided by 2. So the answer is? Yes, children?
40 divided
40 divided by 2. 20. So 20 what here? The chocolates. So here you can write 20 chocolates. Therefore, 20 chocolates distributed in the class. We can write the last final answer as therefore, here 20 chocolates. Therefore, 20 chocolates are distributed in the class. Okay, so here total number of chocolates 40, and out of 40, half is distributed in the class. So 40 divided by 2, 20. Okay, next question we are going to do is question number 19. Question number 19. Yes, Arfan, are you there? Yes, Adinad, read question number 19. Adinad.
A bag has 48 balls. One third of these are blue, one fourth are red, and 1/6 are yellow. What is the total number of blue and red balls? If the remaining balls are orange, what is the number of the orange balls?
Okay, so children, here we have to find out more number of here blue balls, red balls, yellow balls. So a bag has total how many balls are here?
48.
48. And out of these, how many are blue?
1/3.
1/3. Okay, 1/3. 1 by 3 are blue. And I want all of you to find out the number of blue balls. Take out your book, do the calculation. 1/3 of 48. 1 by 3 times 48. So that much 1/3 of 48 are which color? Which color? It is blue color. Find out the number of blue colors. All of you. 1 by 3 times 48. That is the number of blue balls. Sanahin. Take the book and page number 27. Sanahin. Who finished? Yes, Adidev. Then 1 by 3 times 48. Wait. One by 3 of 48. Yes. Who can tell me the answer? Huh?
16.
16. 1 by 3 times 48. How many got this answer? Yes? Okay. Yes, Adidev Prajwal. Yes, very good. Now, 1 by 3 times 48. Yes, Abel, I can see. Many of you got. Okay. That is 16 balls. Now, how much red balls? Look at the question. How much red balls? 1/4. Very good. 1/4 is red. So, find out 1/4. 1 by 4 into 48. 1 by 4 times 48. One by 4 times 48. Yes?
16. Yes, I finished.
Blue is 16. What about red? 12. Very good. Very good. Very good. 12 balls. Now, it is given 1/6 are yellow. 1/6 are yellow color. 1/6. Amil, are you writing? Find out the answer. 1/6 are yellow. 1 by 6 into 48. What's the answer, John? 1 by 6 into 8. Very good. 8 balls. So yellow balls is 8, red balls 12, blue balls is 16. Okay, children. Now we will write this together. Okay. Page number 27 again. It is question number 19. So the total number of balls. Total number of balls is, we will write together. Children, write fast. Total number of balls. Total number of balls. How much?
40.
48. So this is given. So this is given. Total number of balls is 48. And out of this, how much is blue color?
8.
It is given. Look at the question. One third are blue. One third. So now write number of blue balls. Number of blue balls. It is given one third. 1 by 3 of 48 are blue. So 1 by 3 into. Yes. What we'll write here instead of multiply? Yes, Isra? 1 by 3. Instead of what we will write?
Multiply.
Multiply. 1 by 3 times 48. So 48 into 1 is 48 by 3. So what's the answer you told me, children? It is, what was the answer? 1/3 of 48? 1/3 of 48. What was the answer? Many of you who told me the correct answer. It is 1 by 3 into 48. 16 balls. 16 balls. 16 balls. Now, like this, you have to find out number of red balls and number of yellow balls. Sanahin, write in the page number 27. Take out your workbook. Finish writing.
No, ma'am.
Where's the book? Take it. Number of blue balls is 16. Now find out number of red balls. Number of red balls. Number of red balls. What is given? It is given as
16.
1/4. 1/4 are blue. So what we can write? 1 by 4 of 48. 1 by 4 of 48. 1 by 4 of 48. So 1 by 4 into 48. Find out the answer and tell me. You told me the answer. 1 by 4 into 48. What was the answer?
12.
12. So here 4 in 4, 48 by 4. So the answer is 12. Very good. 12 balls. 12 balls.
I finished the second question.
Now, one more we had to find out, which is that number of yellow balls. Number of yellow. Number of yellow balls. So for this yellow balls, what do you have to do? What is given for yellow balls? 1/6 are yellow. 1/6. 1 by 6 of 48 are in yellow color. So 1 by 6 times 48. Tell me the answer. 48 by 6. What's the answer?
8.
8 balls. Okay, very good. So children, we have found out 1/3 of 48. What is that? That is 16, which is the in color blue color. And red balls is 1/4 of 48, and it is equal to 12 balls. And the last one, number of yellow balls, that is equal to 1 by 6 of 48, that is equal to 8 balls. Okay, now look at the question here, children. What we had to find out? What is the total number of blue and red? Blue and red. So what do you have to do? Number of blue and red, we have to add. Number of red and blue color. So that is the next step. Number of, children, try to see that whether you have enough place to write. Make it, we have to find out number of blue and red together. Then we have to find out the orange balls also. Okay. Number of blue and red. Blue and red balls. Blue and red. Blue, we have already found out. What is that? It is 16. And red is 12. Find out the answer and tell me. 16 plus 12. Find out how. 28. So 16 plus 12, that is 28 balls are blue and red together. Blue and red, when you add, you will get 28 balls. Now, children, you have to find out number of orange balls. To find the orange balls, what we have to do? You have to add all the blue, red, and yellow together. Blue, red, and yellow. So total number of blue, red, and yellow. The next step, children, you have to write total number of blue, red, and yellow. Total number of blue, red, and yellow balls. So we have red and blue is 28 plus how much yellow? 8. Find out the answer. 28 plus 8. Hmm.
36 balls.
36.
12.
12 is the orange color. Orange color is 12. Okay, children. I am asking here blue, red, and yellow. 28 plus 8 is equal to 36 balls. Okay, 36 balls. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. 36 balls.
51.
Total number of blue, red, and yellow is 28 plus 8, which is that? That is equal to 36 balls. Now, children, we have one more step. What is that? You have to find out. You have to find out the number of orange. So, we have to find out total 48 minus 36. Okay. So, what we have to do now? We have to find the number of orange balls. Number of orange balls. Number of orange. Number of orange balls. So total how much we have? 48. Out of that, how much is red, blue, and yellow color? Red, blue, yellow together we have 36.
36.
Now find out how much will be orange color. Find out 48 minus 36. All are finding this alone? 12. Yes. Are you finding this alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
12.
Okay. So the answer is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 12.
12.
48 minus 36 is?
What question will write today?
We'll check. We'll check.
What question will write?
Okay. Wait. 48 minus 36, it is 12 balls. So children, look at the question again. We have what we have done here. First step is total number of balls, that is equal to 48. 1/3 is blue, that we have found out how many blue color, that is 16. 1/4 are red, so we have found out 1/4 of 48. What is that? 12. And what about yellow color? 1/6 are yellow, So that is equal to 8 balls. Now what is the next question? What is the total number of blue and red together? So what we have done? We have added blue color plus red color. So we got 28. 28 balls. Now total number of blue, red and yellow we have found out to find the number of orange color, because orange color is the remaining balls are orange color. So 48 minus 36, the answer is 12 balls. Therefore there are 28 blue and red and 12 balls are in orange color. Understood? I will send the notes in the WhatsApp, okay? So you can, those who joined late because of network.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dia, you joined now. Yes, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. We are doing now, going to
ma'am.
do page number 28, question number 20. Yes, Ayil, can you read question number 20?
Out of 42 students, 1/3 like mango juice, 1/6 like pineapple juice, and 1/7 like
Chiku juice.
juice. The remaining like watermelon juice. Find the number of students who like each type of juice.
Okay, children. So we will only discuss this today. We will not write, but I want you to do all these calculations only in your rough book as a homework. Okay, children. So here, total how many students are there?
42.
42. 42. Out of this mango, how many children like mango? We have to find out. So it is given. How we can find out? 1/3 of the students, 1/3 by 3 of 42 like mango juice. So you have to find out mango juice, how many children like 1 by 3 times 42. 42 by 3. Okay, 42 by 3. Now, what about pineapple juice? How many children like pineapple? Look at the question. Amir like pineapple juice. Very good. But I asked from the question.
1/7.
1/6. What is that? Amir, look at the question. Question number 20. 1/6 are pineapple. Like pineapple juice. So 1 by 6 into 42. What is that? 42 by 7. 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7. Yes, without calculation, you have to tell it faster. 42 by 6. 6 times which number is 42? Children.
7.
6, 7. Very good. 6 sevens are 42. So, pineapple juice. How many children like? 7. And 1/7 of the children like chiku juice. 1/7. So, what do you have to find out? 1 by 7 times 42. 1 by 7 times 42. What is 1 by 7 into 42? 42 by 7. Just now you did 42 by 6, you will get 7. So 42 by 7, you will get 6. Now remaining like watermelon. So what do you have to do? You have to subtract all these 42 minus mango. Then you have to subtract again pineapple. Then you subtract chiku. Then you will get the remaining children who like watermelon. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to do all these as a home. We will write all the steps in the next class in our lesson, during our lesson. But before that, what you have to do? You have to find out 1/3 of 42. That much children like mango. 1/6 of 42. That is for pineapple. 1/7 of 42. Find out these calculations and find out how many children like a watermelon juice. How you can find out watermelon juice? How many children like watermelon juice? You have to subtract 42 minus, subtract the children who like mango, pineapple and chiku. Understood the question? Yes, children? Will you do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So next class we will write. So we have completed page number 27, question number 17, 18, 19. So I will send the notes after this class. Those who were not able to complete, you can do it. Okay, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.